Pisces, is this a hookup or something more? Is this a hookup or something more? Yikes. Okay, so it looks like it was supposed to be just a hookup, but it's something more. I feel like this might be mismanaged. I think it's something more, but it's treated like a hookup, but it becomes something more. It's something more. That's what I'm gonna fall for. Yeah. A lot of back and forth energy. This is gonna be this person who you're hooking up with, or whatever the situation is not going to be over as easily as you thought it was going to be. It's more than a hookup. Bye.